Magandang araw na naman po sa inyong lahat. This is our Skipbo full episode 2. Okay, our second upload. Today is May 31, 2024. Last day na po ng month na May po natin. Today is May 31, 2024. Okay, so let's shuffle our deck. Okay. So, let's deal 5 cards. 5 cards in our stockpile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, tayo. 5. Okay. We have 5 stockpiles here. Then, from the opponent has also 5 stockpiles. 3, 4, 5. So, from our hand, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So, usog tayo. Ayan. So, usog tayo konti itong card natin. Okay. So, flip the topmost card of our stockpile. Sa atin ay 8 at ang opponent natin is 3. So, okay, we have 5 cards in our hand. So, okay. So, we have 5 cards. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, okay. So, we have a turn. You have to put the 1, 2. Then, we have discard 5 here. So, we have to discard 5. So, okay. So, my turn is done. Because nag-discard na tayo ng card. Then, the opponent goes. So, you have 2 there. So, they will play the 3. Then, flip the next stockpile. So, they have form of 1 again here. So, they will play that 1, 2, 3. So, they will discard their card 6. So, discard. Okay, so discard na. So, here. So, our turn. Oops. We have 2 cards. So, we have to draw 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. So, we have 3 there and 3 there. So we have no cards playable. But this is our skippable card. Pero di natin dapat itira to agad-agad. Kasi kung nakabunot ng kalaban natin, kunyari nagkabot na siya ng 4 and 5, kung kunyari may 5 shot, 6. So, pwede yung itira at mablock yung 8. So, agawin na natin ay discard the 10. Okay, here. So, okay, so their opponent goes 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that is 4. So, usin natin yan. So, we have 4 to draw. So, we have so their turn. So, they have 4. So, they will play it. So, 4, 5, 6, but they have no 7 at 8 para blockin tong 8 na ito nandito sa ating stockpile. So, they will discard the 10 actually here. Okay, they discarded the 10. So, okay. So, our turn. We have 4 cards. So, that is 6. So, we have to draw 1 card. Okay, we have 2 skippable cards. So, we have that will play 7. And I will put the 8. So, because 6 yung nakaraan natin. So, 6. This is 7, 7, 8. So, we have 8. So, tingnan natin 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Ayusin natin. Ayan. So, ulit na next stockpile is 12. So, we have no playable cards. So, I have 10 there. Pero pag tinapan natin itong 9 and 10, baka mayroon siyang 11 at nabot yung 11. O kaya mayroon siyang 11. Matira niya yung 12 niya at wala na tira ng 12. So we have to do is, we have no cards playable. So we have to discard the 3 here. So we have to play, they have to play their card. So 3 cards. So they have no playable cards to play. So they have to, pero meron pa siyang pwedeng itira. They have 1. Then they have 4 here. So they can play the 4. 5. So they have no playable cards. So they will discard the 5 here. 5. So now our turn. We have 3 cards. So 2 cards is available. So we have, okay, 10. So we have 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So we have 9 here. Then our skip wild card. We have discarded here. The card is 10. So we have discard natin dito kanina. Pwede natin itira yan. So 10. So we have 11 for skip wild card. 11. Then they will play the 12. Note, if the building pile reaches 12, it will remove and shuffle to the another para sa mga natitirang discard pile ay dito sa draw pile pag naubos ang ating draw pile. Okay, so at another place na naman ng ating paglalagay. So we have 2 there. May playable card is 2. 1, 2. Skip ball. We have, pwede nito magsimula ng skip ball card as 1. Then the final card is 12. So we have 1 also there. So 5. So we have 2 there. Then 3. We have 2 and 2. So if you play all your cards in your hand at naitirang malat na mga cards mo, including your discard piles dyan sa building pile, hindi ka pa tatapos ang inyong tira, bubunot ka pa ng additional 5 cards. 5. Okay. So we have 2 there. 3. So we have 5 dyan sa gitna. So we have to manage to play this. 6 and 7. Okay, so we have to discard our 12 here. So we have 12. 12. Okay, discard the 12. So the opponent's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they have to draw 4 cards in their hand. So you have 7 here. So they can play the 8. But they have no 9. So they have to discard their card 10. So we have a card playable here. So we have 1 and 2. Pero dating tira dahil completed na po ang ating building pile. Only 4 building piles lang pwede po. So we have blue cards only. So we have 3. So we have no playable cards because puro 2-1, 2-1. Okay, puro blue cards. So we have no 4. So pwede natin discard our 2 here o 1. 2 here. Okay. So the opponent goes 2 cards. Okay. They have discard. They have to put their 9. Sige, cause 9 yan. So we have 8 ang last. 9, 10, 11. They have to play the 12. So we have blocked. Okay. The next card flipped is 5. So 3. So we have to play there 4 here, 4, then 5. Flip the next card, 11. So they have no playable cards, so they have 6. So we have to discard a card 12 in our discard piles. So we have 3 cards. We have to draw 2 cards. So they have 1. So we have 1 there. 1, 3. So we have no playable. We have a 2 here. We have 3 there. So we have to play the 4. Pero sayang lang tong 6 natin mamaya. So we have to discard the 1 here. So the opponent goes 4 cards to draw. So they have 5. So dito sa gitna. So they have to play the 6, 7. So they have skip a wild card 6, 7. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Yan natin. 5, 6, 5. Okay. So we have 5, 6, 7. So okay, they have 7. So they will play the 8 here. 8. Okay, so they have to discard the 3 here. Here, so after this, okay, we have 2 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this last card is 8. So we have a 9 here. 9, 10, 11, 12. So we win. So tingnan natin ang last card natin kanina is puro wild card. So we have the last opponent place is 8. So they have to play the 9. We have to play the 9, 10, 11, 12. So we win. The first player to eliminate their stockpiles wins. Then the remaining opponent in their stockpile plus 5 points. So we have 10. Then going out plus 25. 25 plus 10 equals 35. So we have 35 points earned. So we have to remove our cards here. So for another next round in next episode. Next episode coming soon po mga tagapanood. Then abangan po yan. And this is our Skip-Bo full episodes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell for more videos to upload and for more updates to our YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Makikita palit tayo sa next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!